What the heck is this? Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to a new video. And in today's message from the future, we are going to talk about this Gameberry RetroPie Laka joystick. Alright, and the rest is just in Dutch, but you're getting the point. So, it's an invasion. It's an invasion of Raspberry Pi portable systems. I have really no clue what the heck is this. I have really no clue. So, first I was thinking to seeing this, maybe it's just a mainboard we can stick in, let's say, in Gameboy shell, so we can make our own self, and I will not say cheap, but plug and play Raspberry Pi RetroPie system. But no, it is not. No. What is this? Joystick head. It's just a PCB board with a button on it, and you can buy them including the Raspberry Pi. As you can see here, it comes with a battery. We have some different variations here. I have really no clue what are the differences. I see these things are really damn expensive. But yeah, let's look a little bit at the pictures. They are saying you can play it this way. I don't know how it's with you, but I am not playing this thing like this. Some naked portable system. No. It looks so fragile. Dropping it will break instantly. I know for sure. That is one thing to be sure. But look at this. What is this? What is the use of this thing? I have really no clue. So you even got more buttons. But the point is, if you want to learn some programming, for example, or you want to learn some soldering, you can buy a kit like this for, let's say, 40 euro. Maybe let's make it 60 euro, shipped from China. And you can buy it and you can make your own, let's say your own little game system. I can get with this. But going back up, 135 euro, that's around $150. It's almost the price of a Game Boy Pi, for example. So I don't get it. I don't get this. So yes, it's powerful, maybe enough to play N64 or something like that, but there's not a lot of details. As you can see here, there are different ways how you can connect it. Wow, this is a little bit messy. But I really love to know, what do you think of something like this? Would you buying this? I don't. If I get a sample, I love to make a review about it for you, for the sake of the channel, but an overall, no. Somebody explain to me, what the hell is going on here? So yeah, that completes this video. Just wanted to share it with you. I found this on AliExpress. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell. See you next time. Bye bye. I need to press the button to close my browser.